What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Got something from QSP real quick. Gonna check it out with you guys. It is going to be the Canary. It's a newer-ish one. I think it came out a couple months ago, give or take, you know. But I want to kind of check it out, but just haven't yet. And so I got it in let's say, the Ultem. I'm kind of wanting to check out the Canary and the Ultem, like just handles and stuff like that, just to check it out, honestly. I know a lot of people have been talking about them lately. They're kind of popular, but not popular in a way you could say. I've been hearing a lot of people say it's the PP knives. They look like PP. Um, but yeah, I kind of just wanted to check them out. Obviously, the Canary, just because I want to check out the Canary. I like QSP knives, and what else? Oh, sorry, I didn't say what was in the box. You just got a couple stickers, real quick. Have a knife a day. You got your little information on it, right there. Yada yada yada. Pretty much, the usual stuff, I guess. But let's check out the actual knife. Yeah, I just want to check out the Ultem because I know it looks like, honestly, there's two different ones. There's the one that's more like see-through, like more like not so cloudy, I guess. And this is the more like, I guess, solid looking. I don't explain it, like the solid looking. I don't know. It's not so see-through. Maybe it's because the scales. Maybe it's because the texturing on it. It is, honestly, I thought this would be a little bit bigger, but it is probably more close to the QSP Penguin like size knife. Just the regular one. It is probably very close to that, so it's not bad. It's like 60 bucks for this little thing. Um, it does come in 14C 28N, which I do like that steel. It is pretty good steel. Um, I know some knives, also some more expensive knives, are doing some work with that type of steel, so a lot of people like it apparently. I do like this knife kinda. I don't mind it when it's got the black finish on the blade. Like if it's just like the satin finish on blades and stuff like that, I feel like it looks a little goofy. The Ultem does, but I feel like with the black and everything, it looks pretty good. At least it looks better. It looks better. I really don't mind the color of it. I'm not a big yellow fan at all. Like yellow is probably one of my least favorite colors, but it doesn't look too bad on this. I'll kind of do a little close up of it. As you can see, it's got a little bit of texturing right here too. I don't know if you can really see it, but there you go. There you go. Yeah, you can see it there. But it's not bad looking. I really don't think it does. I think it looks all right. And the QSP, I do like them. They do pretty good work on their knives and stuff like that. I know a lot of other companies, they outsource their knives to QSP, and as they use QSP as their OEM. But yeah, I like QSP, and this is not that bad. Like, I just wish it was a little bit bigger, but actually it's not bad. Like, I can fit all four of my fingers on that, which is not bad at all. With a little bit of room, not much, but if you have a bigger hand, you'd probably be alright still. But, yeah, it's so small, though. Like, I just figured it was going to be, like, a little bit bigger, but, I don't know really a whole lot to say. The thumb studs feel pretty good on it. Not too shabby. I don't really have any problems with any of the QSP thumb studs, like on their Penguins and other stuff. Action's pretty smooth. It's not bad. It is pretty snappy. I haven't tried It does lock up really well, though. It definitely locks up. You got a little bit of texturing right here. A little bit of a little cutouts for your fingers, your thumb when you're closing it and everything. And it does, I wouldn't say it sits too far up out. So I like that. Like a lot of, I know people are different. Some people like the liner lock sticking out just a little bit more. Some like it a lot. Some like it less. I think this is pretty good right here. As you can see this side too. So I think they did a good job on that. I don't know, that's just my opinion. But it does like work really well. Like my thumbs don't, yeah, I don't have any problems. It opens, closes. I have no problems missing the liner lock. Um, Obviously it's cut out so you can see obviously in the handle and on the inside of this side too. The liner on this side. Obviously you have your liner lock on the other side. So it is like not too bad with the weight and everything. So it's really pretty light. And I don't know if maybe that's just the Ultem. I don't know how the size comparison is for the weight for The weight comparison is for like G10 and Macard and stuff like that. But I feel like this is pretty light. I know they also are starting to come out with, not QSP in general, but like I think it was Civivi has an Elementum with Lexan, Lexan, I think it is what it's called. And that's like a new thing, but it's like clear though too. It's almost like clear plastic, and I don't know. I saw a metal complex with the knife a while back, a couple weeks ago. Maybe it's an older video too. I'm not quite sure. But I know I just saw that Blade HQ has an Elementum with the Lexan on it. And it's just completely clear, see-through. And I don't know which, if they're kind of like related in a way, if they're the same-ish, like same kind of family type thing. I'm not quite sure. I want to kind of check it out. I don't really need another Elementum, but I really want to check out that Lexan just to honestly do a comparison. But I might have to go buy it or something like that because I don't think I can get my hands on one without buying it. But it does feel pretty good. Like I said, it does actually kind of really lock up though. Actually, kind of maybe my hands are a little bit oily. Okay, it does kind of lock up. I don't know about that. Maybe it's because it just locks up very tight. And it could just need some time to break in and stuff too. But it definitely locks up and does it tight. So pocket clip's about a normal pocket clip by QSP. Not bad. Works pretty well. Check out the screws. They are kind of recessed. The pocket clip is recessed, which is nice. And the screws are sticking out, but barely. Like they're in there pretty close. So it's not bad. And I do like it's reversible also. They give you like a little piece right there to kind of fill it in, which I like that when companies do that. When companies kind of leave that out and just like a hole right there, I think it looks goofy and it doesn't look right. It doesn't look very aesthetically pleasing to me. That's kind of my opinion, but I would say this is a pretty solid little knife. Not bad. It is 60 some bucks. I can't remember, something around there. It did come from White Mountain Knives. I think I might get this. I kind of like it just to have it. Because it's different to me. Like it's the Ultem. It's just kind of different. It's not my favorite, obviously, handle, but I kind of like it overall. Plus it's cheaper. I already have a Civivi Praxis, but I didn't really like the Praxis a whole lot with it. I think this just looks better overall. So I might be just going ahead and buying this and checking it out and just keeping it and just do it for other comparisons and other stuff like that. But pretty solid lockup though. I like it. It feels pretty good in hand, like I said, and I say go check it out. It has my approval. Oh, it does. Oh no, I didn't even realize. I don't like this. There's no jimping. Nothing. I hate that. I like jimping. I don't know. Call me crazy. I like jimping. I like to be able to make sure I get my fingers there and not slip or anything, because sometimes I get sweaty or slippery or something like that, or honestly you get the lube or the oil KPL on your finger and then it just slides everywhere. So I don't like that. That's one thing I don't like, but it's still not a bad knife. I still would say check it out. It still has my approval on it. But that's all I got really. If you guys liked the video, just leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions or anything, leave it in the comments section, and subscribe please. Thank you.